You need to watch this if you're buying a new vehicle. Your dream ride deserves a proper welcome. Before you hit the road, there's one crucial step you should never skip. The pre-delivery inspection, or PDI. Think of it as a wellness check for your vehicle. First, check the exterior. Look for any scratches, dents, or paint issues. Found something? Report it immediately. Next, hop inside. Test all the buttons, switches, and levers. Yes, this includes the AC and the stereo. Now, pop the hood. Ensure fluids like oil, coolant, and brake fluid are at the right levels. Don't forget to check the tire pressure. Finally, take it for a spin. Listen for any strange noises. Feel how it handles. Everything smooth? Great. Remember, a thorough PDI means fewer surprises down the road. So, take your time and inspect your new ride. Happy driving!